What do you use with that gun?
Hello guys, nice to have you here. Today we are in the Villa Street where there are informal traders or trading. Today we try to find out what is going on. We are able to find out there is a verification going on for a few days now, and it has been a peaceful verification, but was actually interrupted by Operation Dudula. During this time, they were faced off by South Africans who are the stand owners. Thank you for watching, guys.
Hello, good evening, everyone. This is the Villa Street and King George. Since Wednesday last week or Thursday last week till now, all the traders in this street have been chased away. You can see how the street look like. People are stranded, moving up and down. They are confused. I don't know whether is it a way to tackle crime or what, or are they creating more havoc on the street? Look at the people stranded since over 1 week now. People are stranded, doing nothing. You can see the villas. This is the Villa Street and the King George Street. Since Wednesday or Thursday last week, the people are stranded. Everywhere is shapeless. People are no more trading. They are not selling. Understand where they have been trading over 35 years. You can see people have stranded people up. This is, I pity these people, serious. This is unfair. This is unfair. The Villa Street is very it's empty, crowded. People are crying. Just God. Now, wow. It's only God that will set us free. I don't know the problem of South Africa, our fellow black South Africans. Look at how deserted the street is. People have been trading here over 35 years now. You see? Nothing is happening.
Yeah, ngithini mina? Ngithi la goli sisazobanjwa inkunzi la. And sisazobanjwa inkunzi. Yabona indawo le? Indawo le bekuyindawo la de kudayiswa khona impahla ama second hand from kuma Nigeria. So indawo le ku empty manje. Bathi abafuni ukubona business yamuntu la. Asisoli isinqumo segovernment. Kodwa icrime la esazoba khona asazobanjwa ukuthi abantu labade besebenza la manje bazoyaphi. Uplan B wabo nguphi? Wana siyani imjende evipakile ngale. Na imjende evipakile la. Ukuthi manje abantu ade besebenza lapha uplan B wabo uthini ngoba from la until April kukini abantu babeke imchaqana yabo ema-storeroom. Abantu ade besebenza lapha bazoyaphi? Imali bazoyithatha phi? Angali angamajida lapha. kodwa ngithi mina i-crime ezoqala lapha so crime encane bakithi, and abantu laba kade bephila la okuseleyo kuphela ukuthi bebe lo plan B okutshontsha. Wesilezi insizwa ze-Nigeria ngiyazithemba zigudu ku-fraud, zigudu kuma-highest. Sisazolimala la but anyway, hayi kulungile.
Selivukile manje igoli uyalibona. Selivukile manje igoli. De Villiers, MTN Rand. Yanyiwa manje. Ay. Selivukile igoli manje.
Sanibonani bahlali base Johannesburg. Councillor Zungu here, the MMC of GSS in the city of Johannesburg. Sibuyile futhi la today on Wednesday the 7th of October. As you can see, we're still maintaining order, and I must say that we are finding a lot of complaints from our people, even though there are those who still want to resist and try to sabotage the process. But thina sijabule kakhulu ngesikubukayo la on the ground, and we are saying kini sizoqhubeka siyenze le operation until we get it right, and we're almost there. I must say the Villiers is constant, and abantu baya-comply. Today besiku Plain Street, I can tell you ukuthi in a Plain Street we are doing the same. Siyayithola compliance babili bathatha bazama ukugoloza, but ngeke sivuma abantu bazogolozela, especially umuntu ongenalo nesitupu sephepha athi no yena kayindawo. La si-enforce ama-bylaws, sifake umthetho ebantwini. Umuntu olwisa umthetho sizombopha, angeke sizidlale naye bahlali. So siyabonga kakhulu nakini ukuthi niyasipha support, and we are happy with what we are doing. Sizoqhubeka siyenza until we get the city right. We are almost there. As you can see, we are fixing the street lights. We are fixing izinto ngendlela right. We are fixing amanzi la avuzayo kusikwenza nje konke. Nani nabadlali ababuka la ukuthi ngempela ikhona i-continuity. Sizoqhubeka until yonke ibe right. Siyabonga kakhulu bathandi. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkososi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. This is Councillor Zungu Kolmayelo Ekcineni, and he's speaking about ma-foreigners ukuthi kunema-foreigners lanqabako uma bawasusa, kunema-foreigners lafuna ukulwa, lafuna kususa impi, uthi ngeke baze bavumele ukuthi bayocontrol abantu abanganamaphepha laba la South Africa ngalo ngeke emthethweni. So those people need to be arrested. Uthi nje nabatodila nabo, but uyajabula ukuthi kunabo labo labakhonako ku-cooperate, abaya-cooperate some of them, and uyasho ukuthi batoqhubeka nalomsebenzi labawendako because uyabona ukuthi nebantu bawujabulela, abantu ba-happy, abantu bayasho nje ukuthi cha abaqhubeke njalo. And people are actually saying ukuthi laba labanqabako, imagine you 70 bantu, you don't have papers, you don't have a permit, awuna lutho, but if bakutshela something or bakukhipha endzaweni uyagoloza, why can't they just go back to their own countries? Because people have been saying ukuthi they need to go back to their countries, but it seems like abafuni kokwenda lokho. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'm signing out, so goodbye.